Yotelair, Singapore Airport, room 224, room review. As you come in, you're greeted by a bed which turns into a sofa. We don't have a lot of room, so bear with me. This is the bed. It's electronic and does go up sofa size. On the wall we've got a big mirror, you can see me, Rachel. On one side you've got a telly. The turn around, there's the door. There's a little cabinet here with a table, but nothing specifically in there. Then the bathroom, excuse the mess, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. There's some storage there. Sink, toilet, and a large shower, which is pretty good. But that's the extent of this whole room. We stayed here because we had one night